All right, we're cutting our head wall or our ridge, directed deck cut and tuck. We'll go ahead and get our measurements we got from the roof, and we'll come back. We're going to go ahead and measure this guy. We measure on either side, and that will be a cut line. And go ahead, make a straight line across there. And you can bring it over to the cutter. And you can go ahead and hand that up on the roof ready for installation. When we're doing our ridge panels, you can go one of two ways. One way you can go and you can measure where your ridge is and do a 2-inch fold over if you'd like. The other option would be just to cut it straight off. Either one's acceptable. And how we install these, we'll just come in, it's a left to right panel, so we'll get a fastener in the left side. And we'll go ahead and make sure it's laying nice and straight. And then we'll get one in the right side. And then go ahead and push down the middle and finish off the middle. Then a couple fasteners at the top.